Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to solve this ratio question. We're supposed to find the value of k. They gave us 2/5 ratio 3/4. This is equal to k ratio 2¼ First of all, we know that if someone gave us a ratio b, this is the same as a over b. So 2/5 ratio 3/4, this is the same as 2/5/3/4. This is equal to k over 2¼ Here I'm going to cross and multiply. I'm going to take 3/4 multiplied by k. That is going to be 3/4k. This is equal to 2/5 multiplied by 2¼ Now we have 3/4k. This is equal to 2/5 multiplied by, I'm going to change this into improper. That is going to be 4 multiplied by 2, 8 plus 1 is going to be 9. So we have 9/4. I can simplify here by 2, 1, by 2, 2. So we have 3k/4. This is equal to 1 multiplied by 9. We get 9/5 multiplied by 2. We get 10. I'm going to cross and multiply again. This is going to be 3k multiplied by 10. This is equal to 4 multiplied by 9. I need to remain with k, so I'm going to divide by 3 multiplied by 10. And this side also I'm going to divide by 3 multiplied by 10. By 3, 1. By 3, 1. By 10, I get 1. By 10, 1. By 3, I get 1. By 3, I get 3. By 2, I'm going to get 2. By 2, I'll get 5. Here I remain with only k. So k is equal to 2 multiplied by 3. It is 6/1 multiplied by 5 is going to be 5. So the value of k is equal to 6/5 or 1/5. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on ratios, you can check my playlist over here. Also, you can check the other playlists over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.